Hey there, bigger tourists! Thank you very much for coming back to my channel. But if you're new to this channel, by the way, my name is JC and I feature my food trips and travels here in my channel. So if you're new, please click on that subscribe button as well as the notification button so that you will not miss any videos that I will upload every Sunday at 8 p.m. So, karon magbinisaya lang ko kay gimingaw ko sa ako ang close friends and it's been like almost 9 months na wala mi nagkita and murag ka nagdugay-dugay na gid kaayo no kaya sa naangrag din sa akong kagaling lungga which caused anxiety and some other mental issues. So we decided to meet up and then go to this restaurant nga amuag yung ganahan kanan, which happened to be in Park Mall. So I'll see you guys later and please do stick around so that you will not miss our food trip. Okay? See you. So guys, naabot na gyud mi and nanagid ako mga kauban. Naiusa nga dugay pa kayo malate siya, so bahala na lang siya. Yes. So, naami sa Park Mall, particularly sa Fat Dois. Thank you by the way, JM. So, for more information. By the way guys, just in case you're curious about the place, they do happen to have two branches. The main branch is in AS Fortuna, and
in case you need free meal, you can contact
same mo na akong gimingawan ang pagkabuli sa mga tao. But anyhow, ano nang musay? So there, kanil lang. So dugay kayo naabot ang usa. Dahil nga nang dugay ka naabot?
Estudyante. Ano na ba ito sa IT? Ina pa na pang IT.
Sabi niya, Fat Dois Vanilla.
Wala siya nakapadugay-dugay na mo.
Nakita siya yung Fat Dois sa Vanilla.
Diba saba kay May? Mori ako giningawan guys.
Siya na, saba.
Depression is real. Kaya, diba mo rin di mga trabaho. But anyhow,
Ako ito kinalaman kayo na ganda bang sa
kompleto nami para manghugas later. So JM, manghugas kami sa imuhang mga pagkaon na lamig kayo. So anyhow, I'll just put the description about this place in the description box below. As well as put on the comments if you happen to have any questions.
Where's your below?
Awara, diba? Huli kayo. So mga on sa guys and that picture and of course we have to keep up with each other. Okay, it's been 9 or 8 months that we haven't seen each other. Although we do chat virtually. Oh, what a good kasama. So I'll see you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to see more of our adventures when it comes to food trip and travels here in Gear Tours with me, Jason.